another month and another target hit na naman tayo ngayong buwan ng July, no? Actually, this is for the month of June, yung aming incentives program sa aming Happy Fit program, no? Na ibinibigay namin sa aming mga empleyado sa aming theater clinics ng Mastercard. As I promise or as we promise, binibigay namin kung ano man yung mga biyayang ipinagkakaloob sa amin ng Panginoon. Dahil naniniwala ako kapag marunong tayo magbigay sa ating kapwa, especially sa ating empleyado, mas gaganahan sila magtrabaho at magiging mas masaya sila. At kung mas masaya sila, mas motivated sila, inspired, and happy sila.
Players, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out! Pop, pop, it's showtime. Showtime, showtime, showtime. Guess who's back again?
Thank you, Master Cal, for this opportunity na magkaroon ng free shoes. First time ko makatanggap ng free shoes as incentive. Super happy ko kasi hindi ko to naranasan before sa mga previous job ko. Magagamit ko for my fun run, marathons. So, thank you po again, Master Cal and Ma'am Dayan, for this opportunity.
Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do?
First of all po, nagpapasalamat po ako sa Theater Clinic by Master Carl. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity na magkaroon po ng free shoes. Pangalawang tanggap ko na po ng sapatos na po sa aming company. And sana ma-reach po ulit namin yung 1,700 na patient para magkaroon po ulit kami ng sapatos next month. Yun lang po, maraming salamat po, Master Carl and Ma'am Dayan.
Money ain't shit. Ooh, ooh, we too fresh. Got to blame it on Jesus. Hashtag blessed. They ain't ready for me. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up.
Thank you po kay Master Cal at saka kay Ma'am Dayan kasi first ever brand new shoes po ito na branded po. Maraming salamat po talaga. Thank you po.
Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? What you trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear. Look out!
First of all po, gusto ko po sana magpasalamat kay Master Carl and kay Ma'am D. This shoes is not about passion, but it symbolizes motivation para po pursigihin pa po namin makakuha po ng 1,700 plus na patients kada buwan. Maraming salamat, Theater Clinic by Master Carl and Ma'am D. Thank you po.
Fight the feeling, invite the feeling, just put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? Tell me what you're trying to do. 24 karat magic in the air. Head to toe, so clear.
Bali, gusto ko lang po magpasalamat kay Master Carl at kay Ma'am D kasi kung hindi po dahil sa kanila, hindi ko makukuha itong mga bagay na to. Yung sapatos na alam kong branded, sa totoo po, yung sapatos ko ay talagang ukay po. Nagtitiis ako na magtingin sa ukay para lang makakuha ako ng sapatos na branded, oo, pero alam kong reuse na. Kaya maraming salamat po, Master Carl at Ma'am D. Kung hindi dahil sa inyo, hindi ako magkakaroon ng chance na makakuha ng ganitong klaseng sapatos. Maraming salamat po.
Sabi nga nila sa tagline nila, impossible is nothing. Ibig sabihin, walang imposible sa taong may storage sa kanyang sarili. You got this and we got this, our new shoes for the month of June. Sa lahat ng pinagpagura namin, maraming salamat sa aming mga kasamahan dito sa clinic, sa Theater Clinic by Mastercard. hopefully, next month, magkaroon ulit tayo ng Hot Seat program. Ang susunod natin ay Skechers naman!
Ancient skills pero modern kids.